Hey guys, it's Alex. So I was on my friend the internet and I saw a fun video with these stick-on foot pads that basically let you be barefoot all the time, and I don't know who doesn't want that. So I ordered them and they're here and I just can't wait to try them out and see if they actually work. This product claims that it's going to be able to offer a safer alternative to being barefoot pretty much wherever you want. I feel like the possibilities are endless here because, in theory, anything you can do with shoes on, you can now do without shoes on. I just put these stickers on my feet, so it's a little bit weird. It's trickier than you think it's gonna be because you have one shot, and I'm just saying, this assumes that you have stuck toes. And I know that some people have stuck toes, but I do not have stuck toes. That makes the fit a little bit more tricky, but I'm still excited. Like, I don't know if you can see that it's squishy. There's like a little bit of padding to it, and they're pretty comfy, so I kind of think this protective thing could be real. They're kind of fun. I'm happy to be here. I'm barefoot at work. Are you barefoot at work? Nope. Nothing hurts your feet more than walking over Legos, and we have Legos, and I'm going to walk over them. Actually isn't bad. I didn't scream in pain, and normally I would have done that walking over Legos, so I'd chalk that up to a win. I think that if I'm really gonna test this, I need to just go all in, and I need to take this to the literal streets. I'm feeling so good. I can walk over any surface. It's really fun because it lets you kind of feel like you're barefoot, but more comfortable and clean. I definitely hear a lot of people talking about me. I hear a lot of whispers. It definitely protects you from the heat because it is very hot out today, and I'm sure the blacktop is ridiculously hot, and it just kind of felt a little bit warm under my feet. I love it. I can feel like, since this grass is so long, I can feel that there's dew on it, like on the tops of my feet. But again, bottom of my feet, good. I don't even need flip-flops anymore. These are so much better. Goodbye, my dear, dear friends. Definitely easy off. I'm really sad to be taking these off. This little sticky guy has seen some stuff. Yep. But you know what hasn't seen some stuff? My foot. When I first put these on, I was very determined to try each and everything. Does this work? Does that work? And when I got out on the street, honestly, I think that they just started working so well, whether I encountered wetness or heat or different textures or rocks or whatever. It worked so well that I wasn't even thinking about individual things because everything is awesome. And I know that sounds lame and you may or may not believe me, but you're just gonna have to try it for yourself.